Recently, I visited the bakery business exhibition that was held in Mumbai. I am going to share all the details of this bakery business exhibition 2022 that was hosted at Jio World Convention Center in BKC, Mumbai. I have visited quite a few bakery business exhibitions that have happened before. But this time the experience was so much better. And the Jio World Convention Center made it all the more artistic, like this majestic elephant that was present at the entry itself. This bakery business exhibition is a national trade fair for the bakery, pastry and chocolate industry. Lot of exhibitors put up their stalls to showcase various products to attract potential buyers. This year the fee was 500 only, but some exhibitors do send discounted or free tickets. It is a Sunday afternoon and I started after delivering my cake orders and after having my lunch. We are driving towards Bandra, where the Jio World Convention Center is situated. We reached there in just 30 minutes. You can also take train, bus and then take auto rickshaw to reach this place. They do have a valet parking available, or you can park your own car. But it is a paid parking and they charge ₹100 for 2 hours, so do plan accordingly. Because you might end up spending an entire day once you enter the exhibition. The entrance itself made me realize that this time they are really going to exceed my expectations. We had got our free tickets from one of the exhibitors, so we did not wait at the registration desk. You can register for this event online, or you can go directly to the venue and register there as well. That's the entrance and I'm so excited because this is the first time after COVID I'm visiting any exhibition. At the entry itself, I saw a local bakery product supplier where a lot of home bakers were shopping. My advice to you is to have a look around and then start shopping, otherwise you will have to carry it around, and trust me, you will get dead tired because the exhibition hall is so huge. Can you see the stalls? So, not only bakery ingredient suppliers, but you will also meet machine manufacturers here at the exhibition. Can you see? Each cookie is of same size, shape and weight as well. You get to see the demo of these machines as well. And then you can buy these machines if you are looking to grow your bakery business. This looks so satisfying, right? Now let me show you the setting, what type of nozzle is used for making this decoration. Have a look at this machine for example. Do you love Karachi biscuits? Type I love in the comment box if you love Karachi biscuits just like I do. And let me show you how they are actually made in the factory. They put the biscuit dough. This machine will make 2 separate rolls of this dough. Next machine will press it and add the dry fruits on it. And the machine further, they will press it again to ensure that the dry fruits are in place. The cutter is available to shape them and separate them properly. Looks lovely, isn't it? And finally, collect them in the baking trays. You can arrange 6 to 7 cookie trays at a time in this commercial oven and bake a whole lot of cookies at one go. Let us see the texture of these Karachi biscuits. It is so crispy and delicate, you will end up wanting it more and more. By the way, do you know you get the same texture for my cookie recipes? Check the description box below to see the details of cookies course from Dipti Vartak Academy. These are bread machines. Now throughout my vlog, I have taken shots of lot of cake designs that were kept for display purpose. Have a look at these designs and try to make these cake designs for your birthday cake, anniversary cake or any customized theme cake orders. These are very unique and beautiful cake designs. You will have a lot of fun while doing these designs. And believe me, they are so easy to make. At this particular stall, the chef was showing how to make features on a fondant face. He was using just 2 tools for doing so. So, there are quite a few free demos like this that keep happening throughout the day. Next, he showed how to use edible lace, how to make edible lace cake decoration using his own product. Apart from free, some paid workshops also keep happening for which you can register in advance or on the day of your visit. Can you see these beautiful shiny chocolates? So basically, the stall owners display these mouth-watering cakes and chocolates that are done by using their own ingredients. However, the challenge is hardly any stall owner sells anything. They will take your contact details and give you their distributor's number to get in touch for buying these unique products. I hope you all are taking notes of these beautiful decorations. These are simple cake designs or easy to make cake designs. However, the way they are presented makes all the difference. Next, let me show you how these pastry chefs actually decorate cookies in a simple and easy way. So now let us hear mine and the chef's conversation. So what are you putting in that?
So that's our chocolate filling.
Okay.
On top. And then I'm going to garnish it with some Rice Krispies and butterscotch coated.
Lovely. And what are the ingredients of cookies?
It has got butter, sugar, honey, flour, oatmeals, and 55% dark chocolate calories.
Nice. Nice it is, no? ते खूप छान है. What are these?
These are
caramel.
No, butterscotch nut.
Butterscotch.
You can try them.
मला पण दे.
This is also your product only?
Yes.
This is good.
Butterscotch balls coated with pure chocolate.
Nice. They look very nice, very nice. अम्बा एक मिनट दे सब
येलो वाला क्या है?
लवली.
येलो बटरस्कॉच भी रखते हैं?
हाँ जी.
येलो बटरस्कॉच.
We are back to see the cake designs. All of these cakes are done by using whipped cream. I personally love to work on the whipped cream cakes. Once you understand the small tips and tricks of whipped cream, once you start getting perfect whipped cream, cake decorations using whipped cream becomes so much easy. Just like how you can see on the screen. If you are having trouble with whipped cream or cake decorations, do join my Super Baker program and remove whipped cream or cake decoration fears forever. Few very important points to remember while visiting such exhibitions. Some exhibitors or some stall owners sell their products and some don't. If they are selling small products, they will definitely give you bags. If they are not selling, they will give you product brochures or their pamphlets. So be sure to carry your own big bag if you are planning to buy few things in the exhibition. Do not worry about the food, as they do have food court where you can get the food of your choice available. Yes, even Jain food is available. Carry your own water bottle or else you can buy from the food court itself. Now let me show you the machine section again. Here you will find planetary mixers and waffle machines that you can purchase for your home bakery or even for your bakery shop. You can connect with their staff to understand more about these machines and your requirements. They do give discounted prices for the exhibition. Price ranges from Rs 40,000 to few lakhs of rupees as well. Do you know that the bakery industry in India is huge market? Around $7.5 billion a year business. That is roughly about Rs 60,000 crores. Hence, even if we take a small chunk of this huge industry, it is still going to be huge for an individual home baker. But sadly, the enthusiasm with which home bakers start their baking journey, the same enthusiasm is not seen after a year or 2 years of staying in this industry. And it saddens me to see a fellow home baker selling her bakery supplies which she had bought with so much enthusiasm. Statistics show that 38% of the business do not sustain more than a year. 24% pull out in 2 years, 20% stay in the business but don't see any growth, only 18% see their businesses flourishing. And these 18% are those who focus on the business side of the bakery business and hence they are successful. So decide now. Which category of home bakery owners are you part of? And work steadily towards achieving your dreams of having a successful, profitable home bakery business. Do fill up the Google form below if you want to start your home bakery business. And I will get in touch with you. Now we have seen enough cake designs for birthday cake, anniversary cake. Let us see some chocolate designs as well. These beautiful shiny chocolates are made using pure chocolate that has cocoa butter in it. It is tempered very well before using it into molds. Check out the description box below to see the difference between compound and a pure chocolate. You will find the chocolate related answers in that video, so do have a look. I also got a chance to witness chocolate tempering machine. So showing you a quick look of the same. Can you see the discounted price on this display counter? Likewise, you get to see so many varieties and their respective prices as well in the exhibition. Now you may think it is too much, right? But as a businesswoman, you will have to do crucial investments in order to grow your bakery business. That's the commercial oven having stone inside if you are more into bread baking. And that's the normal commercial oven, and you know what? You can bake everything in this. During my visit, I also got a chance to interact with so many amazing personalities. And finally, it was time to call it a day. I spent little over 4 hours to finish this entire exhibition. It was a day very well spent. As usual, I got to learn and I got to see so many things, so many new things in this exhibition. This majestic elephant literally took my breath away. It was made of flowers. But it did remind me of the huge and majestic T-Rex, the dinosaur cake that we had made for another cake exhibition that happened in Mumbai just a few years ago. By the way, if you have liked this vlog, do comment below. And let me know if you would love to see more such bakery business related videos. If you are new here, then do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and do hit the like button.